This event was really good. I mean, the speakers were amazing, the sponsors were amazing, UBM, amazing. Thank you for the invite.
The Women in the Channel event has been on my radar for quite some time, and I finally took some of the advice I've been given over the years and made the time to come attend. And it's really a great opportunity to network with other women who are working in the same industry, and it's also just a really great opportunity to take a step back and refocus and make sure that you're headed in the right direction. I really recommend the Women in the Channel event because I think it's a great opportunity to connect and network with fellow women in your industry. It's a good opportunity to take advantage of everybody in the room, people who are just starting their career, people who are really far along in their career, and take an opportunity to really look at the information that's been presented to you, have a chance to reflect on what's been presented to you, and really have the opportunity to discuss what this means for you in your career and how you can put it into motion immediately when you go back into the office. So from an overall networking perspective, it's really one of the better events I've been to.
So I attended the Women of the Channel event this year to have the opportunity to network with my peers and other women in the channel, opportunity to take time out for myself and do a little, education for myself. And then I also had the opportunity to participate on the panel and share some of my knowledge with the women of the channel. I think this is a great event for women in the channel because it gives women in the channel an event that is specifically designed for them. You get to meet people that are in like roles and doing like things with you. And you also get to hear from women in business and women in the channel to enhance your skills and learn some things that you can take back with you to your office.